This Carpenter Realtors property video is presented by Dave Bell. Low maintenance condo lifestyle with a great location and a beautiful ravine behind the property. At nearly 1,900 square feet, walk into an open concept with new flooring throughout, updated kitchen appliances, and granite countertops featuring a 2-story stone wood-burning fireplace. Newer premium sliding patio door leading to a private oasis with a courtyard feel. The spacious master loft of over 800 square feet has a large walk-in closet, full bath, and laundry room with plenty of walk-in attic storage space. Parking accommodations in the front and back of unit, driveway and single-car garage. All this within walking distance to the pool, clubhouse, tennis courts, trails and more. Come see what you're missing today. For more information, review the details below or contact Dave Bell at 317-852-4091.